Hello children, today's topic is wheel and axle in EVS unit 6. See here, the wheel and axle is a simple machine. Can you see what is an axle? The stick like, okay. Now if you see there, you can use this wheel using lesser force. This is also a wheel and axle, a door knob. See, the door knob is wider, okay, than the rod, like that in the car also. The steering wheel is turned, the rod helps to turn the tires of the car. Combination of the wheel and the rod, wheel or rod, the rod is attached to it. It helps us to turn together. The combination of a wheel and a rod attached to it such that both turn together is called wheel and axle. Wheel is bigger, but easily it is turned using the axle. Like that you have the example of a water tap. The top portion of the tap, okay, we need to turn it, functions as a wheel, and inside it is connected as an axle that we cannot see. Inside one axle is there. Screwdrivers also function as a wheel and axle. When we turn the handle of the screwdriver, it acts like a wheel and the rod is the axle. Okay, the next one is pulley. Pulley is also an example. To heavy bucket, if you want to lift from the deep inside the well, it would be very difficult. That is what I wanted you to try. Like you made a project, you have made a pulley. What you have to do is lift a bucket that is in the project. No need to go to the well and lift. Just lift a small bucket. In the project you have done, you have made a bucket, okay, you just lift the bucket and then try to lift it using the pulley. What is the difference? When using the pulley, it is very easy for it to lift compared to lifting it without a pulley, okay. So a pulley contains a wheel that moves freely around an axle. See here, this is a wheel here, and in the middle in the center there is the axle. So it helps the wheel to move easily. The wheel in a pulley has a groove in the middle. That is called, in the middle there is a groove. And the rope that goes around over the pulley. So the groove helps in keeping the rope in place. Groove means there is a gap here, you can see in between you have kept the rope. So what is happening? The rope is kept and it will not move from that place. When we pull the rope downwards from one side, when you pull downwards, what happens? The other end of the rope pulled upwards. Weight is pulled upwards. See here also. Thereby lifting the load. Pulley helps in changing the direction in which force is applied. Force is applied downward, but the weight is lifted upward. You are applying downward force to lift something up. The pulley makes our work easier, as it is easier to apply force downwards than upwards. So that is how it works. So the same thing, you have examples in our daily life, that is cycle chains, exercise equipments that is used in gym. You have seen this one. The force is applied downwards, but the other end is lifted up. Okay, next one. Fixed pulley. A pulley where the wheel and axle are fixed and do not move is called fixed pulley. In the image on the right, you can see an example of fixed pulley. You can see that the advantage of using a pulley is that when you pull an object down, you use gravitational force to your benefit. This is an example of fixed pulley. Movable pulley, in this kind of pulley, the wheel is not fixed at one place. Fixed pulley is the same as you use in well. Okay. Movable pulley, wheel is not fixed at one place. See this diagram. Okay. The wheel is not fixed. Wheel is moving and it moves in with the load. Load oda சேர்ந்து அதுவும் move ஆகும். Crane லலாம் இருக்கும். The pulley divides the effort needed to lift the load into two halves. In the image on the left, you can see that if the load is of 1 kilogram needs to be lifted, half the effort is applied by the person. So see here, the pulley is also moving here. So what happens? Equal divide aina. So half the effort is only needed. This side half, this side half kg. Weight is balanced in that. Weight is up, effort is up. Half the effort is applied on the free end, and the other half is applied by the fixed end of the rope. This means that in a movable pulley, the effort needed to lift the load is reduced, half the effort. The moving wheel allows the load to move in the direction of the effort. Large cranes, you can see this movable pulley. This is a pulley here. Large cranes lift large weights. Okay. The next one is inclined plane. Inclined plane you have seen in the park. Slides. Yes. It is a ramp. You call it a ramp. Used for moving heavy objects up and down weights. Straight floor la vida in the mari inclined planes it is easy to move the objects. Surface set against horizontal surface. Horizontal na straight. Okay, this is straight. This is inclined. Okay, when you are pushing an object box up, the inclined plane is easier than lifting the same height. Same height ஒரே லெவலா இருக்கறத விட inclined plane it is easier. See the image here, the inclined plane decreases, the effort to lift the load also decreases. Here the inclined plane, the angle, it is more. Idu decrease pannona, here it is reducing. Here the less effort is needed. Slope kammi pannona, easily you can move the load. That is what they are saying. How the angle, this is called angle. The gap between this slope and the straight one, no? This is called angle. The angle decrease pante vandona, here the angle is less. So the slope is less. So what happened? The gap between the two arms of this is called angle. So when you reduce that, it is easier more to move the load. Some examples of inclined planes is even sometimes road built on hills and mountains. Have you gone cycling? More effort is needed if you are climbing up. When you go down, it is easier. Slides in the park. அதே மாதிரி if people are having disabilities na the wheelchair la kondu poranga, so they cannot move on steps. So for them in hospitals, That slopes are there. Even in some of the railway stations, they have kept slopes like that. In our school also, you can see one side and the entrance of the building, you have a slope, and one side steps will be there for the wheelchair to move. So roads built on hills and mountains. These are all examples. So to join things together, two things are there. What we use? Nails, ani. It requires lot of effort to hammer a nail in and even more effort to pull it out. So instead of nails, we use screws. Screw is using, if you look closely, you can see that a screw is like a ramp. The ramp twists around and it goes up. You can see that, no? Screw. A screw is thus a simple machine that makes easier to push or pull nail forward. Push a nail forward or pull it out. As the screw rotates, it moves forward. We use screws frequently in our daily life. Nuts and bolts used in our home. Lids of a jar, bottle, moody. Bulbs, screw type. Then other. Even drills apply the principle of screw. Nuts and bolts, jar, lid, light bulb, drill. As the screw is rotated, it moves forward. This property is used in car screw jacks. பெரிய weight lift பண்றது கூட rotate. This one, if you rotate, you can easily lift a weight. Car tire needs to be changed. The jack is used to push up the car up with minimal effort, and then the tire can be removed. Okay. Then wedge. What is wedge? Wedge is a triangular shaped simple machine made up of two inclined planes. This is a wedge. In the pakor inclined plane, in the pakor inclined plane. Slope of the incline. So a wedge is used to split two objects apart. Cut an object into two pieces. Hold two objects together. Axle is a wedge. When it is used swung around on a log, the metal wedge pushes the wood apart. This is the axle. It is a wedge. Knife. So it allows a low amount of force to split the wood apart. That is called wedge. So contact is your direct physical touch. Rigid, unable to blend or change shape. Fixed irukkuradhu. Groove is a narrow cut in hard material. Groove na the pullila irukolla naduvula irukra the gap, that is groove. Incline, slope at an angle. Disability is a condition that is limiting a person's movement or senses. Ramp is a sloping surface at the end or between floors. Sloping surface. Wheelchair ramp. Rotate. Move in a circle around an axis. Rotate. Now revision. Just will revise this lesson now. Work. What is work? Work is done when force is applied. When you are pushing an object, force is applied. Moves the object in the direction of the force. If the force is applied and the object does not move, according to science, what do you say? If the object is not moving but is still putting a lot of effort on the object, that the work is not done. We say work is not done. Simple machines are devices that make work easier. அதுதான் நீங்கள் ட்ரை பண்ணி பார்க்கணும். அதாவது wheel and axle, when you are using in a pulley, you just try with the project. The bucket, you can lift it. Does it need more effort when you use a pulley, or when just like that you are lifting, you use more effort? Or ask your parents who used a real wheel and axle in a well. Ask them which is taking more effort. Okay, so it makes your work more easier. There are 6 simple machines: lever, pulley, wheel and axle, inclined plane, screw and wedge. A lever is a rigid rod that can move freely along the fixed point. Levers contain 3 main parts: effort, the force that needs to be applied; load, the object on which needs to be applied; and fulcrum, a fixed point around which the rod moves. So you remember it as flea, F-L-E, F-L-E, F. These 3 should be in the middle. F in the middle, first order lever; L, load in the middle, second order lever; E, effort in the middle, third order lever. 3 types of you have learned now. Next is position. First order, second order, third order. Okay, that is what I told you now. Direction of the load. How is the position on the fulcrum in the middle, load in the middle, effort in the middle. Direction of the load is opposite to the effort, same as effort, same as effort. Example, first order seesaw, bottle opener; second order shovel or tongs; third order. Next, wheel and axle and pulley we saw just now, inclined plane, screw, wedge. All these things are examples of simple machines. Thank you.